Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a valve cover gasket. This is a common maintenance task that can prevent oil leaks and keep your engine running smoothly. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and a gasket scraper. Remember to always prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal first. Now, let's prepare for removal. Begin by carefully detaching any engine covers, ignition coils, and spark plug wires that obstruct the valve cover. Next, unbolt the valve cover, loosening the fasteners in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping. Once all bolts are out, gently pry off the old valve cover. Take your time to thoroughly clean both the valve cover and cylinder head mating surfaces, removing all traces of the old gasket and oil. With the surfaces clean, it's time for the new gasket. Apply a thin bead of RTV sealant at the camshaft humps if your manufacturer specifies it. Carefully place the new gasket onto the valve cover, ensuring it sits perfectly in its groove. Now, gently position the valve cover back onto the cylinder head, aligning all the bolt holes. Hand tighten all bolts, then use your torque wrench to tighten them to approximately 75 inch-pounds in a crisscross pattern, working in 2 or 3 stages. You're almost done. Reinstall all the components you removed earlier, including the ignition coils, spark plug wires, and any engine covers. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting the engine, double-check all fluid levels. Start your vehicle and let it run for a few minutes, carefully inspecting the new gasket for any signs of oil leaks. Finally, take a short test drive and recheck for leaks and proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.